And here's the fun part about the build. You come home and there's boxes in your garage and it's all the parts you ordered. So all of this is things for the engine. So we got a new throttle intake, some more horsepower there. That's 12 to 15 horsepower. We got all new coil packs. We got this fun little kit, which is for roll control, which allows you to do burnouts. Let's see, what else we got? Not sure what this is. I have to open it up. Oh, it's the underdrive pulleys. So we'll replace the pulleys for underdrive system, gaining more horsepower, of course. And fuel rail kit. So a totally new Elderbrock fuel rail kit. And with that, we have new injectors. Here's the roll control kit. And lots of other little goodies. Parts for new fuel. There's the fuel injectors that go with that kit. New fuel filter. Yeah, threw the box in there. That's over. And actually, this is what I need to finish up my rear ends, which is a video you've already seen. But anyway, roll control. So you hold this button down, it locks the front brakes in, it releases the rear brakes, and burn out to your heart's content. So that's that box. Got the new radiator came in, and I'm not sure what's in here. But again, that's the fun part. We're going to tackle this beast for this episode, and that includes basically tearing this thing down to the block and the heads, and then we're going to paint the headers. I've got a new oil pan that goes on it, new oil lifter, valve covers, alternator. We got an overdrive or underdrive kit. We got to take the air compressor off for the AC because we don't need that. The Factory 5 kit has an AC delete pulley that comes with it, and we'll install that when the kit gets here. The other thing I want to do is check the timing chain and see how those are, and the water pump. I've got a water pump and timing chain. We'll probably go ahead and swap those out because I'm sure those guides are pretty wore out. But for this episode, we're going to tear this thing down and get it ready to put this pile of parts on it that I have ready to go into the engine. So finally get this hunk of junk looking like something that's ready to go into a Factory 5 Cobra. That'd be the task. Of course, anytime you're removing the wire harness, you want to make sure you're labeling everything exactly where it goes, because you're going to have to put it back when you get everything put back together. This harness is intact but in pretty rough shape, so we'll take some new loom and some heat resistant tape and make it all new. Somebody's missing two 10 millimeters. And I bet that's the other bolt for the alternator. This is our first real look into the engine after we moved the intake and the valve covers. What I'm not seeing is any chunks of rockers or rods down in there anywhere, which is a good thing. And the cams look pretty good. We'll see what the timing chain looks when we get the cover off. But we got a new one anyway. But so far, that's pretty encouraging. Yeah, there's no, get your rocker guides are nice and snug. So good look on this side. had some leakage right here. Get the water pump off and see where exactly. But we got a new water pump anyway. It's a shot, so not too concerned about it. So it's definitely the seal around the water pump was gone. See where it's been leaking. Not a crack, no cracks or anything, so that's what we're looking for. Make sure nothing's cracked. Simply just needed a new water pump. I mean, new seal at least. Oh well. All right, so we get this harmonic balancer off so we can get the timing cover off. Okay, impact didn't work, so we put see if this will work. All right, flip the engine over to get a better grip on this harmonic balancer and just taking a look. Everything looks really good. Not a lot of sludge. Cylinders don't have any grooves. You turn it, you hear the compression in every cylinder. Hear that? All in all, this engine looks great. Okay, I haven't used this since the last Cobra I built, and so I couldn't find the other bolt. I had to come up with this one, but it works. Let's see if we can get this sucker off. Now we get the valve timing cover off. Try to keep these in the same position where I'm taking them out. Okay, at first glance, everything actually looks really good. It just looks worn. I mean, these have never been changed. The chain is a little loose, and I can see it hitting part of the oil pump right there. So this chain definitely needs to go. But no broken guides. Yeah, see, this guide's completely wore out because this, here, let me show you. It's eating through right here because that guide is worn out. That little piece, I actually found it in the oil pickup. So that's good. I know where that came from. This side is okay, but you can see where it's slapping the engine right there. So definitely too loose. This one needs to be replaced, and we'll do this one. So that's where we'll end it today, because that's the complete teardown right there. And we're ready to clean it up, and we'll start with the timing gears next. So that's the teardown. We'll call this one good. What's the matter, Lua? You want out of your cage? You want out of your cage, huh? You don't want out? What do you say? You don't want out? You want out? No? Okay, we'll let you out. I thought you wanted out of your cage. Now you're sleeping in it.